Hi, this is Adityan from Mockat. Today, we'll look at the selection criteria for IIM Lucknow, continuing our series about various top MBA business schools and their selection process. There are multiple reasons why IIM Lucknow is a choice for many MBA aspirants. It is ranked 6th by the NIRF 2023 ranking. It is recognized as Institution of Excellence by India's Ministry of Human Resource Development. The institute has one of the best faculty members and course curriculum in the country. The average package stands at 32.2 lakhs and the highest package is 1 crore per annum. IIM Lucknow has a strong alumni network who have taken up careers in various fields of management. IIM Lucknow employs an admission process aimed at identifying individuals with the greatest potential for their MBA program. The shortlisting criteria involves two stages. Stage 1, shortlisting for written ability test and personal interview. There are three substages, which are minimum CAT percentile, calculation of composite score, and scheduling for VAT PI. And stage 2 is final selection of candidates for PGP, PGP ABM, and PGP SM program. Stage 1 is shortlisting for written ability test and personal interview. The first substage is eligibility criteria for VAT and personal interview. Here, minimum CAT percentile cutoffs are considered for PI and VAT. The next substage is calculation of the composite score for shortlisting for VAT and personal interview stage. Only the candidates securing the minimum sectional and total percentiles for the respective category in CAT 2023 will be considered for stage 1B. The composite scores in stage 1B shall be computed on the below factors. The components are scaled CAT score, HSC marks, graduation marks, work experience, academic diversity, and gender diversity. The next substage is scheduling for VAT and personal interview. The composite score based on stage 1B for the candidates who qualify in stage 1A and the shortlist for VAT and personal interview process shall be available on their official website. Selected candidates shall be required to fill in and submit the VAT and personal interview form online by the stipulated deadline. Final selection for MBA program will be based on merit in each category. A composite score is calculated and the students are selected based on the score. A candidate's final score for selection in MBA, MBA AM, MBA SM program for the batch 2024 to 2026 will be calculated on the basis of the assigned weights as summarized in the table. The following are the statistics for IIM Lucknow Core MBA 2023 to 2025. These are the number of candidates who filled the form and the number of candidates shortlisted for VAT and personal interview and the number of candidates who got final offer. We'll be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT and personal interview content, B-School deadlines, and much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.